Let's talk about the 8th principle, the tax system. The tax system redistributes from richer to poorer, with richer people paying a greater proportion of their income. It also applies to land and wealth. Payment of taxes is viewed as a matter of justice to support those things that contribute to human flourishing, such as healthcare and education, whilst discouraging harmful activities such as arms production and those causing pollution, ill health, or ecosystem destruction. There is a social safety net which operates to uphold the dignity of all. Okay, tax system redistributes from richer to poorer. Richer pay a greater proportion of their income. Why are they richer? One reason could be they worked extra hard when they were young. Another reason could be they worked really hard to study hard, spent 5 years studying for degrees and postgraduate qualifications. Should they pay more tax? Somebody else didn't work nearly as hard, in fact, spent a year travelling around the world. Good for them. They're now doing a fairly low-paid job. Should they pay a lower proportion of tax? They've acquired memories, good memories, to look back when they were travelling around the world. The person who's got the 5 years in university and studied really hard to be an accountant, got bored silly, but now earns lots of money, they haven't got such good memories. So should they pay more, or should this greater proportion or higher percentage be levied on companies rather than individuals? Also, payment of taxes is viewed as a matter of justice to support those things that contribute to human flourishing, such as healthcare and education. Yes, on the subject of healthcare and education, should not a huge amount be spent on preventative care and education, preventative healthcare, so that therefore people knew, and it was drummed into them, lifestyle changes or lifestyles that would benefit their health, to keep their blood pressure down, to keep their weight down, to sleep better, to exercise more, to relax more, to have intermittent movement, intermittent fasting, Holman protocol. Oh, you've just seen a course flash across the screen. If you want the course free of charge, just let me know. So therefore, preventative medicine, should there be far more investment in that for the benefit of all. Harmful activities such as arms production, this is a problem, isn't it? If you don't have arms production, arguably you're defenceless. If you're defenceless, does that increase or decrease the chances of you being attacked? If it increases the chance of you being attacked, isn't that potentially for the greater harm? Yes, but countervailing power, we've got 20 nuclear weapons, we've got 1 million nuclear weapons. Yeah, but if we get rid of our 20 and you get rid of, say, 40, we have no defences at all. At least we know with 20 we can cause you a lot of problems. And those causing pollution. On the subject of pollution, as pollution affects everybody, especially noise pollution, air pollution. why not have far, far, far stiffer taxes to try and obliterate pollution almost completely? It benefits everybody. I don't see but why governments don't push that more. And to uphold the dignity of all, a social safety net. It used to be, certainly in the 70s and 80s, that if you claim benefits there was a certain stigma to it and your dignity was lost. So arguably that dignity has been restored and it's no longer stigmatizing you to collect benefits.